Good morning, my children. Welcome to the English class. So, let's continue our chapter. Yesterday, we have studied about the polar bear, and today we will continue our chapter. We will discuss about 2 or 3 more animals. And the first animal is armadillo. That is armadillo. I think you were thinking that which animal is this, because this is a very little strange animal. Even you have only you have listened the name of armadillo in your story books. I think you have never seen that armadillo. So you can see that armadillo in your literature book. That image I will send you, how looks like the armadillo. So just learn some facts about armadillo. That armadillo lives in warm climate. It lives in warm climate where weather is very warm and cozy, and it eats insects, plants and dead animals. It eats insects, plants and dead animal. And one thing very strange and very different from all the animals, that it sleeps 16 hours per day. It sleeps 16 hours per day. And the last is this baby armadillo are called pup. And my children, this armadillo wears a coat. And this coat is this coat is very hard but supple plates. And what is the supple plates? Supple plates are the scales that make their movement very easy. So with these supple plates, armadillo can move very easily. And baby armadillo hide himself into a ball when he saw that I am in danger. And my children, and mama armadillo teaches them. Armadillo lived in a burrow, means their house is burrow. So at night mama armadillo take them out from the burrow and teach them how to roll their body, how to feed and how to take care of them. So this is very different and very strange animal, that is armadillo. Next animal is kangaroo. So my children, you have seen a lot of pictures of kangaroo, that the kangaroo and their babies are kept in their mother's pouch. वो अपनी मम्मा के साथ बहुत अच्छे से चिपके हुए होते हैं, and that are called kangaroos, and their babies are called joy. उनके babies को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Joy. And something new about kangaroo is that kangaroo lives in Australia. Kangaroo lives in Australia, and the body of kangaroo designed for jumping. Like the kangaroo is having short front leg. जो front की kangaroo की leg होती है, that is very short. Powerful back legs are very powerful, and back feet, huge back feet means big back feet and the strong tail. This kind of body kangaroo is having, so the kangaroo can jump very easily and comfortably. And the kangaroo eat leaves and grass. This is all about kangaroo. And the next animal is opossum. Opossum is same as in kangaroo. Like kangaroo lives so many times with in their mother's pouch. One animal is there, that is opossum, that is also live in their mother's pouch till the birth of their 8th week. जब उनका बर्थ होता है, उसके 8 weeks बाद तक opossum कहाँ पे रहते हैं? अपने मम्मा के पाउच में. And that time they are not having the hair on their body, and even they cannot see. They lives in water. But after 8 weeks, जैसे ही 8 week complete होते हैं, they came out from their mother's pouch and ride on their mother's back. And that is very strange. And after 8 weeks, they are having the hair on their body, and even they can see everything. So this is all about opossum. And one animal is there, that is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is also ride on their mother's back. When he swims deep into the water. Hippopotamus lives in water, but when he go deep into the water, he ride on its mother's back. So this is all about armadillo, kangaroo, opossum and hippopotamus. So my children, just read the chapter and try to do the worksheet very nicely, and tomorrow we will continue our chapter and we will discuss about more animals. Okay, so let's enjoy it and have a nice day.